Tesla just crossed a historic line. It's no longer just a car company, it's officially becoming an AI company. And this past week proved it, with breakthroughs in FSD, AI insurance, the AI 5 chip, and even Elon Musk's $1 trillion pay controversy. Hey everyone, it's Ken here. Welcome back to Life in the Future, Tesla, AI, and the world ahead. Today, we're breaking down everything that happened over the past week. And trust me, this was one of those rare weeks that will go down in Tesla's history books. We're now watching Tesla step into a new phase. Not cars with AI, but AI defining cars. This week's news, from FSD insurance and AI chips to Cybercab and Musk's pay dispute, all connect through one powerful theme: the reconstruction of society through AI. Let's start with Monday. The big topic of the day was insurance reimagined through AI. A US startup called Lemonade made a bold proposal to Elon Musk. What if we insured miles driven by Tesla's full self-driving system almost for free? Think about that. If Tesla's AI can drive safer than humans, then insurance itself needs to be rewritten. Lemonade uses AI and data analytics to automate insurance. By connecting directly to Tesla's API, they can monitor driving data in real time. That means safer AI driving equals lower insurance costs. And now they're exploring an even bigger leap. If AI is a driver, the risk approaches zero. According to Tesla's data, there's one crash every 6.36 million miles with autopilot, compared to one every 993,000 miles without it. That's not just safer, that's revolutionary. Insurance models are beginning to shift from human-centric to AI-centric. On Tuesday, the market was quiet, just before Tesla's Q3 earnings, but investors were already focused on one theme. Tesla is sacrificing profits to invest in AI. S&P Global expected revenue growth to $26.5 billion, but EPS down 30% year over year. Growing sales, shrinking profits, it's a sign of Tesla's price cuts and AI investments. Tesla is deliberately taking short-term hits to secure long-term dominance. As Wedbush analyst Dan Ives put it, Tesla is in the early innings of its transformation into an AI company. That's the point. Tesla isn't losing margin, it's buying the future. Let's talk valuation. Tesla's P/E ratio is around 261 times, while legacy automakers sit in the teens. That's not a car valuation, that's a tech and AI valuation. Investors aren't buying earnings, they're buying a story of transformation. Then came Wednesday, and the headlines exploded again. Elon Musk's $1 trillion compensation plan resurfaced, igniting fierce debate. ARK's Cathie Wood publicly supported it, saying it aligns perfectly with shareholders' interests. Meanwhile, advisory firms like ISS and Glass Lewis strongly opposed it, calling it excessive and a threat to governance. The plan includes massive stock options tied to milestones like an $8.5 trillion market cap and full commercial rollout of Robotaxi. It's designed for a future where Tesla becomes the infrastructure backbone of society. Wood argues this rewards innovation. ISS counters that it undermines independence. It's not just about money, it's about what kind of system should lead innovation, regulation, or conviction. There's also a legal twist. A Delaware court invalidated Musk's 2018 compensation plan, claiming Tesla's board wasn't fully independent. Now, the case is heading to the Supreme Court as the new pay plan moves forward in parallel. It's an extraordinary moment. Tesla's leadership model is being tested right in the open. From my perspective, this isn't simply about numbers. It's a collision between systems and belief. between those who want structure and those who want evolution. Thursday brought one of the biggest updates of the year, FSD version 14. It's now rolling out to Model S and X users. And it's not just a software upgrade, it's a conceptual shift. AI now automatically resumes driving after a human takeover, and the cars can even clean their own front cameras. Yes, Tesla's AI is literally learning to maintain its own sensors. It's starting to drive itself in every sense. FSD subscriptions also launched in Australia and New Zealand, around $150 per month. Tesla is moving from a one-time car sale to a continuous AI experience. They're no longer selling vehicles, they're renting out intelligence. Meanwhile, Sweden approved new public road testing for FSD. Snow, ice, and harsh conditions are feeding Tesla's neural networks with the hardest driving data on Earth. If AI can drive in the Nordic winter, it can drive anywhere, even Tokyo. Friday was massive. Tesla released its Q3 2025 earnings, and during the call, Elon Musk dropped a bombshell. Tesla has entered the next phase as an AI company. He introduced the AI5 chip, claiming it's 40 times faster and 10 times cheaper than AI4. Built without GPUs, it's purpose-engineered for neural training and autonomy, the heart of Tesla's intelligence. Production will be handled by TSMC and Samsung, reducing reliance on NVIDIA. And that's not all. Musk confirmed Cybercab mass production begins in Q2 2026, a fully driverless vehicle with no pedals or steering wheel. Plus, the Optimus V3 humanoid robot will debut in early 2026 with a goal of 1 million units by year-end, all running on the same AI platform as FSD. That's Tesla's ecosystem: cars, robots, and energy, unified by one brain. Energy also hit record margins, 31.4%, the highest ever. Tesla isn't just scaling vehicles anymore, it's scaling intelligence across transportation, robotics, and energy grids. By Saturday, the world reacted. CNBC and Reuters focused on shrinking margins. Teslarati and Yahoo Finance highlighted Tesla's AI transition. Electrek criticized Musk's comments and compensation controversy. But Dan Ives summed it up best. This quarter was a transitional snapshot. The real battle for Tesla's future starts now, and I completely agree. Because from my point of view, this wasn't a weak quarter, it was proof of transformation. Margins may be down, but the AI, robotics, and energy pillars are rising. Tesla is no longer a car maker. It's building the next generation infrastructure of society. Still, there are challenges: FSD regulation, cost structure, and Musk's own leadership style. Elon remains Tesla's greatest risk and its greatest asset. If his vision holds, Tesla could become the first true AI infrastructure company in human history. The big picture, what this week revealed. So, what did this week ultimately show us? That Tesla's identity has shifted. FSD, AI5, Cybercab, Optimus, Arcade all share one direction: a society managed by AI, a world where humans don't drive, AI handles risk, and energy self-balances. Tesla isn't just part of that system, it's becoming the operating system itself. This was the week Tesla officially took its first step toward that future. There will be resistance, debates, and doubt, but that's what disruption looks like, and we'll be here to follow every move. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss Tesla's next major leap. And share your thoughts below. Do you think Tesla is becoming more of an AI company than a car company? Thanks for watching. I'm Ken, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll keep exploring how Tesla, AI, and innovation are shaping life in the future. Before we wrap up, let me take a moment to introduce myself. I drive a Tesla Model Y, and at home, I've installed a Tesla Powerwall, so I actually charge my car with solar energy. I truly believe Tesla is shaping the future, and that's why I share the latest news and insights here on this channel. I'm from Japan, but I want to connect with Tesla fans all around the world. That's why I also create an English version of my videos. Most of all, I'd love to connect with Tesla fans everywhere so we can support Tesla together. I also share updates on X, so feel free to follow me there and let's connect. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.